here. Oh, wow, hard. 1 minute to go. Mark, Scott, Billy, Todd, Isaiah, Nick. That is your running order. Right now, closest back on the track, I need to Todd and Billy for the number 3 position. I said that as Todd starts hitting plates.
Yep.
Todd's going to have about 2 seconds over Billy now. Oh, he's going to flip it.
Oh, my wing's bent. My wing's bent.
Billy going to be on the back bumper of Todd here.
No, don't hit me.
Billy trying to let Scott by. Scott won the hunt for Mark Decker. Billy going to be all over the back bumper of Ty there. He looks low, doesn't work.
He hit me.
What he gets for hitting you.
We got Mark, Scott, Ty, Billy, Isaiah, and Nick. 2 minutes to go. Straight touring. Scott is up next.
How much time?
2 minutes left.
Billy starting the real time back in here. 1.2 back.
I got to try to meet it.
Your leader, Mark Decker, ending on blue.
Oh, I can't see.
In the 2, we Scott in the yellow and purple. Tiger with the plate. Billy, I mean, all over the back bumper, looking for an inch.
Draft. Oh, man, look at that pool. Look at that pool. Kill me on the straight. Look at this pool on the straight. Look at that shit.
That wing's really helping out right now. 1 minute to go. Billy, put the plate there.
Holy shit! What the hell?
110 to get out. He's getting in there.
He's running 3S. He's running
Tiger
3S.
going back bumper. He's looking. He's not played.
He's running 3S, man.
You got different motor.
Dude.
Oh.
Oh, no, body.
Oh, he's good. Send it. 30 seconds to go. You got Mark Decker, Scott, Billy, Todd, and Nick. Street touring stock. You're up next.
Go,
Watch
go,
back.
go.
Track clear. 10 to go.